Ladies and gentlemen, I shouldn't even be saying nothing. I'm sounding like a robot. Y'all know what this is. This, that, volume 5 of someone and Y'all give it up for crowd ladies. Y'all shut up. Y'all know the procedure. Y'all know the procedure. Let's keep this thing rolling. I'ma get straight to it. The ladies over there once again looking mighty nice. And the guys over there being all spiffy. No, it's going down once again. Well, anyway, I'ma get straight to it. No, man, I think Mike Tyson and tripped, man. No, I was walking by the TV one day, and LL Cool J was hosting a show called Lip Sync Competition, something like that. You feel what I'm saying? And Mike Tyson was on that motherfucker, right? And it's like you pick a song, and then you try to lip sync to it and dance or whatever, do your thing, right? No, Mike Tyson, LL Cool J came to him and said, "Yeah, Mike, what song you want to do it to?" And Mike said, "I'm gonna do it with salt and pepper." Salt and pepper, Mike? Yeah. I want to do that one called Pussy. Oh, shit. Mike, you done had millions, and you couldn't get your speech together, you motherfucker. Well, anyway, he up in there came up on stage with some spandex. No, Mike was on the stage with spandex. He was shaking his ass like a girl. I said, oh shit. Mike done went from Iron Mike to Fruity to Rudy. This shit is crazy. I said, Mike, get your ass off the stage. You mother. This shit is crazy. Man, it is some difference between a white lady and a black lady. I ain't saying all of them, but the majority, right? You can be at home and you say, "Hey, babe, I'm going to go ahead and step out. I'll be right back." And she'll be like, "Where you think you going?" "No, I'm going to have a few beers with the boys." "No, you ain't going nowhere without me." "Oh, do we got to go through this shit again?" Well, anyway, that's what it would be. And the white girls be like, "Hey, babe, I'm going to go ahead and step out. I'll be back." "Okay, could you bring me a Arizona tea?" Yeah, baby, you gonna give me a massage when I get back? Oh, here I am. This shit is crazy. But don't get me wrong, I done seen some white girls feel like they be acting like they black or something. They be like, "I beat your motherfucking ass, you bitch. Get your ass in here." They be up in there arguing like a motherfucker. I had some neighbors, boy, they were arguing for about 30 minutes. I'm like, oh shit, y'all don't even know how to argue right. I'm gonna kick your butt. I'm gonna tell Willie on you. Shut the fuck up. This shit is crazy. No, man, I got my heart broke. Before. No. This girl left me for another dude, man. No, this shit crushed my ass. I was like in the backyard. Like... No, and my mama come through, and she be like, "What's wrong with you, boy? What's wrong with you?" "Mama, I really loved her." "You really loved her? Get your fucking ass in the house. Go wash dishes. Braid your little sister hair. Put an apron on. You're gonna act like a little punk. I'm gonna treat you like a punk, you little nappy nigga. Get in the house." Nah, this fucking child. My mama sweet. Let's keep this thing rolling. Oh man, some people be like at bus stops and shit, man, like they freeway be showing out like they can't even feel the shit. I'm like, nigga, your ass is out, motherfucker. Your I-5 is out. You must got a callus on your ass. You can't feel it? You stinky motherfucker. Get your ass at home and put a big shirt on. Go to big and tall, motherfucker. They might have something for you, you bitch. Put a sheet on. Ain't no excuse. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. No, man, I was with this girl one day at a party. She had moved to Sacramento, right? But she was back in the town. So we was at this club, and I see her. I was like, hey, girl, oh, get a hug and everything, exchange numbers and shit. Everything was good, right? No, about 2 weeks, she called me. She said, hey, there's a lot of jobs in Sac. You want to come down here to Sac? I was like, oh, hell yeah, oh, shit. I ain't got no money, though. She said, come on. I was like, oh, shit. Well, anyway, I go down to Sac, right? I go down to Sac, and she's showing me the ropes and everything, you know, taking me to different places, filling out applications that day when I got there. No, the next day, that's what it was. And anyway, that night time come, she getting all sexy on me, right? No, she like, come here. And I was like, oh, hey, yeah, what's up, babe? No, I went to go down like I'm trying to kiss her, and she wrapped her legs around my neck, man, and like hella hard, nigga. Squeezing my neck. She done brung my head close to her poo-poo. No, I was at her poo-poo like 5 inches from her poo-poo. No, her thing hit me in the face. It smelled like a mothball. We was playing tug of war. She was like, what's the matter? I said, what's the matter? It's so private. It ain't smelling too good right now. I'm gonna get the hell on up over here and look at some Jay Leno right now. Let's keep this shit rolling. Let's keep this shit rolling. Well, anyway, I'm gonna keep this on a brief. Right now because I got a video. I'm trying to make movies now. I'm trying to put it together, you know what I'm saying? It's some of that old ghetto movie shit. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it entertaining for y'all. So check it out right after this. In fact, check it out right now. Cause I'm finna get out. See y'all later. See y'all later.
We had to fight and take it. I think the president is smoking weed, bumping this beat, making the living out my misery. Till he got a friend like me. I'm down for you, so why would